Hello.
もしもし。
Алло, здравствуйте.
Hola.
This is
Every greeting from Ecer to the world is an opportunity for Made in China to move towards the world. In the past decade, Ecer has helped 3 million purchasers around the world to find high-quality suppliers in China, whether it's a startup enterprise or a global giant like Walmart and Tesla. Ecer is committed to stage up their operation with Chinese enterprises. Through Ecer's services, their purchases exceed $20 billion annually. China's manufacturing industry is gradually moving from the era of non-brand awareness to the brand age. Ecer is a leading company in the globalization of China's manufacturing brands. Ecer provides more than 40,000 manufacturing enterprises with complete solutions for online wholesale, online retail, and brand marketing. In addition, Ecer's online trading platform has more than 30 million visitors per month, which is the leading brand of global online trading platform. Ecer has invested more than 100 million yuan to build an online silk highway, has established 8 data centers, and deployed more than 1,000 servers in the world. Ecer's Alpha Global Intelligent Factor Marketing Platform, with marketing efficiency 40% higher than that of the same industry in the world, is the first digital marketing platform based on artificial intelligence in the manufacturing industry. In terms of global business cooperation, Ecer has established business partnership with the world-famous internet companies such as Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Microsoft, and other internet industry giants. It is also a global extended partner of Google. It has 3 special marketing technology certifications of search, display, and mobile, and won the Google 2018 Search Advertising Innovation Award, and the technology recommended by the 2018 Google Developers Conference. Ecer keeps up with the trend of global digital marketing and makes Chinese manufacturing brands lead the world.
回想2010年的最后2个月，我一共合作了有11个客户。这11个客户可以说对我来说给了我很大的动力。这个公司的老总对我说：“我之所以会跟你合作，主要是看中你们公司的核心技术，还有一个是被你的执着跟韧劲所打动的。”
我觉得从中国制造到中国品牌，以选科技应该是我们最佳的选择。
The confidence of Ecer staff comes from the success of clients. The persistence of Ecer staff comes from the sense of mission to make products made in China move towards high Chinese brands. With the spirit of Camel, Ecer staff have helped Chinese brands stride to the world from one decade to the next. Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.